here are my strawberries in my kitchen garden. They're looking a little bit better. Before they were a little wilted because I had them in the Dollar Tree stackers. But come to find out, while cheap and good to start them, man, it's just not very good to keep them, man. They all started wilting and started dying. And I think it was mainly because they didn't really have depth of roots. So I took them all out, planted them in my front flower bed, and give the roots some room to kind of stretch out and grow. And so far they're looking pretty good. I think they're gonna come back. I have another crop of strawberries. This one here grew alongside with my amaranth. So I just let him do his thing. Let nature do its thing. So I got some Fort Laramie. I got some pine berries. I think these are the pine berries here, the kind of bright green ones. And I got some All-Stars and some Fort Laramies. So far, like I said, they're all doing good. Got some runners, starting some new plants. Put some pine needles down. So hopefully they'll bounce back. So you want to know why I grow my own food? That's why. Fresh from the garden. Don't get no better than that, baby. Garden don't gotta be complicated or expensive. Get out and grow something.